Blockchain trend that in 2018 the things are gonna rocket. I mean, you need to follow. You need to make sure that you do not miss 2018 or migrating yourself from whatever technologies you have to blockchain, because it's for everyone. It's not for just technologists or developers for that matter. Salary trends, one thing, as I said, since there are lesser number of resources, the salaries are high. That means if you know something in a good way, you will always get a lot of salary and you will get paid in a better way. And hence, the salaries are going to be in a higher side. The architects can, who are come from a cloud background, the database, the developers, they actually can go for the architect roles because they can understand this part. And people who do not are from the not from the tech background, they can become the analysts, the business, the project, and the financial analysts who will analyze the ecosystem before even presenting it to the architects. So that's pretty much about how things will operate in the blockchain ecosystem. It is really I would say you should not miss the bus right now. It's at the era there that one must shift to blockchain, because if you will not, the industry will, and that's where the problem that you will face the challenges. Bitcoin blockchain is entirely focused for the transaction, peer-to-peer transaction, whereas Ethereum is focused on building the applications on the blockchain. So they have the two different use cases. Bitcoin blockchain is entirely for transactions, sending money and in virtual currencies, whereas Ethereum is never for a currency. Ethereum is more about building the applications on blockchain. Experience is not at all a requirement right now. It's just a zeal that you need to do that. How partial blockchain storage is maintained? How there's no partial blockchain storage. Let's say if you run out of memory, you will not be able to store that. You need to make sure that your machine, your node always has enough amount of memory to store the blockchain. As of now, if you go to anywhere in the world, leave me for now. I'm just a person who helps everyone. You'll not find any course which is less than $1,000. Okay, and you can have a look at that. But having something understanding in blockchain is not a one-day job. You need to invest a lot of time to even get understanding. But as I said, if you won't shift the industry will shift this paradigm in the next 3 to 5 years. So again, one has to run with the code.
I'm sure you enjoyed learning from this video. Please like the video, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, please comment us in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Do look out for other related videos in our playlist. For more information, visit our website now. Keep learning with Intellipaat.